Hello guys! Are you looking for an AI image enlarger to upscale images without quality loss? If you do, today we will tell you how to effectively and instantly enlarge photos on your computer. The best way to enlarge an image is to use iMyFone UltraRepair, which can finish enlarging in only a few minutes or even seconds. And you won't lose image quality at all. Sounds cool. Let's see how it works. Here, we get this image that needs to be enlarged. Step 1. Install and launch iMyFone UltraRepair on your computer and click Picture Toolbox, Picture Enlarge. Step 2. Next, choose Add File and select the image to enlarge automatically. Step 3. After a few seconds, your small size image can be successfully enlarged without losing quality. Now you can save the enlarged image. Look, this is an excellent enlarge effect made by UltraRepair. Okay, this is today's video. If you have any questions about enlarging images, please feel free to leave a comment for us. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.